Science in daily life. What are the essentials for plant growth? Hello everyone. Today we will perform a little experiment to learn about what are some essential factors for plant growth. Is it true that water and light are essential for plant growth? Let's try answering this question with the following experiment. For the experiment, we have to prepare 2 sets of clear plastic containers for soil. That way, the 2 samples can clearly be seen and observed for comparison. We also need to prepare some plant seeds for the experiment. And for us, we choose to use sunflower seeds since they grow easily and quickly, perfect for our experiment. Normally, sunflower seeds take about 7 days to grow sprouts. That means by the end of our little experiment, we should get some organic sunflower sprouts for our meal. Sunflower sprouts are rich in proteins and vitamins. They can be used to cook in many dishes as well. Once all the equipment is already prepared, we can start the experiment. First, start off by rinsing the sunflower seed samples with water to remove some dirt. Then, equally put the seed samples into the 2 soil containers that we prepared. Next, water both the containers well until they both are damp. Then, place one of the containers in the sun and place another container in a room away from the sunlight. After 2 days, observe the containers. We see that the sunflower sprouts in the container in the sun grow better than the ones in the container that we set in the room. The sunflower sprouts in the sun grow taller, have darker shade of green color, and grow evenly all around the container, while the ones in the room do not. Then, we observe and compare the results from both containers on the following day 3, 4, and 5. Starting from day 3, we only water the container that we place in the sun. We stop watering the container in the room. That means the second container in the room doesn't receive both water and sunlight. On day 6, the sunflower sprouts are fully grown and ready to be picked for the meal. We can see that the sunflower sprouts in the container in the sun grow much better than the sunflower sprouts in the container in the room. The ones in the sun are clearly taller. They also grow more in terms of quantity. This experiment can be primarily concluded that plants do need enough water and sunlight to healthily grow. Both water and light are essential for plant growth because plants can make their own food through the process known as photosynthesis, which needs both water and light to run the process. Both water and light are essential for plant growth because plants can make their own food through the process known as photosynthesis, which needs both water and light to run the process. Without water and light, plants cannot grow properly because they cannot photosynthesize and produce their food. We hope this experiment more or less helps you understand some of the essential factors for plant growth. You can even try this experiment out with other types of plant seeds. You can change from using sunflower seeds to mung beans instead. They work too. For next time, what we will learn about? Stay tuned for more interesting and educating clips. Don't forget to press like and subscribe our Plant Parithat channel below so you won't miss out. See you next time.